Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a beam in Roblox Studio. Beams are powerful visual effects that connect 2 points, perfect for lasers, energy fields, or even decorative elements. We will go through the simple steps of adding a beam, setting up its attachments, and then customizing its appearance to achieve your desired look. It's a straightforward process that adds dynamic visuals to your experiences. To begin, insert a beam object into a part or directly into an attachment. Next, you will need 2 attachment objects. These define the beam's start and end points. Place one attachment at your desired origin and the second at the destination. Then, in the beam's properties, assign these 2 attachments to the attachment 0 and attachment 1 fields respectively. This establishes the beam's fundamental structure. Now, let's customize its appearance. You can change the beam's color using the color property and its visibility with transparency, ranging from 0 to 1. For unique patterns, apply a texture using an image ID. The width scale property allows you to control the beam's thickness along its length. Experiment with these settings to create a visually striking and appropriate effect for your project. For more dynamic effects, consider scripting to change beam properties in real time, perhaps making a laser pulse or flicker. When using many beams, optimize performance by adjusting the segment's property to a lower value, like 5 or 10. Remember to experiment with various textures, colors, and widths to achieve truly unique visual elements. With these techniques, your Roblox Studio projects will shine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.